all must be wondering, what is a computer network? As you see on the video, computer network is the practice of connecting computers together to enable communication and data exchange between them. Did you know the function of computer network? So, first of all, the function of computer network is to exchange data and resources with each other. Secondly, it helps users to communicate more easily. Next, it provides network security. How? By enforcing access control and threat prevention. Now look at the terminology of computer network. Do you know some of the terminologies? So first terminology is the network. Network is a device that are connected together to enable communication and data exchange. Secondly, nodes. Node is a device that are connected to a network. Some examples of nodes are computers, servers, and printers.
So, let's move to the other terminology, which is protocol. As we can see in this video, protocol is a set of rules and standards that govern how data is transmitted over a network. There is 4 examples for protocol. First, HTTP. HTTP is used for data sharing over the web and operating on a client-server model. Second example, TCP. TCP is used for various network applications like emails and streaming media. Next, IP. For IP, data is sent from one host to another over the internet. Lastly, BGP. For your information, BGP manages packet flow within an independent system, connecting endpoints within a LAN to other LANs and vice versa. Other than that, we also have IP address that can be defined as unique numerical identifier that assigned to every device on a network. So basically, IP address can be divided to 3 groups: public IP address, share IP address, and private IP address. Public IP address means that unique numerical value that is assigned to the particular device connected in the network that makes use of Internet protocol for communication and transmission. While share IP address is used by websites and email servers for cost-effective hosting. And lastly, private IP address is internal device addresses that are not routed to the Internet. So move to the next point, which is DNS, Domain Network System. As we can see, DNS means that protocol that is used to translate human-readable domain names such as www.google.com into IP addresses that computers can understand. DNS also can be divided into 3 groups: country domain, generic domain, and also inverse domain. Okay, so country domain means indicating a domain name's country of origin like .my, which stands for Malaysia, while generic domain, which is nodes that represents domain names in a tree. For examples, .com, .edu, .mil, .org, and .net. Next, inverse domain is used by servers to map an address to a name when a client requests a task from a server with an authorized list. Last but not least for terminologies is firewall. Don't you know that firewall have 2 groups? Firstly, we have host-based firewall. It is a software application that is installed on network nodes to control incoming and outgoing packets, protecting hosts from attacks and unauthorized access. Secondly, network-based firewall, which is a filter for incoming and outgoing traffic across the network, protecting the internal network. Move forward, there are actually 3 types of network in this world: WAN, LAN, and cloud network. Let me explain to you what it means for each types. Okay, so firstly, WAN. WAN means a network that covers a large area such as city and country. Different from LAN, which is a network that covers a small area such as houses. Next is cloud network. It visualized as WAN because they can hosted private or public cloud networks.
We have come to an end of the video. Thank you for watching, and may you have a great day. Feel free to give our video some love by liking our video.